Hello students, welcome in our new session. In this session we will learn about the conversion of octal to hexadecimal. So let's continue. So octal to hexadecimal conversion, as we know that octal is what? Octal is a base of 8. Octal is a base of 8 or hexadecimal is base of 16. So suppose we have some any number like 345. Suppose this is number in octal, and I have to find out the resultant value of this in terms of base 16, that is hexadecimal. So now first we will convert it into binary number. So how we will convert this number into the binary number? So there is a simplest form. We will just write down the number 345 and we will calculate the individual value of number in terms of binary using this series. So if we talk about the 5, so we will take these three values. Why we take these three values? Because the value is in octal base. Okay, so octal have a base of 8, that's why we will take the three values in this series. So in this three value we will find out the 5. What is the combination of these values will give the resultant value of the 5? So this would be a 4 and 1 and 2 will be a 0. So this is the value of 5, right? So we will write down here 1 0 1. Second 4, so 4 is what? 1 0 0, that is 4. And 3 is 2 and 1, that is 3, that would be a 0, combination of 3, right? So this is the combination of 3 4 5 in terms of binary value. So we will write here 0 1 1. So we find out this binary value. Clear? So here we will write this value 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. This is what? This is our binary value. Now we have to find out the hexadecimal number. So how we will calculate this number? We will make a combination of 4 bits in this binary number. How? For that we use this binary number and we will calculate likewise 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. This is our binary value. We will make the possible combination of 4 binary bits. This is and this is, right? So one have 0, so there is no mean of 0, that's why we will left this 0. So what will be the value of this? So if we will put here this binary value, then we will find out the result of hexadecimal number. So the question will arise here, why we take 4 bits? Because we have to calculate the value in terms of hexadecimal. So in hexadecimal we have to find out the use the 4 bits combination. So 0 1 0 1. So here we will use this series. So here we will apply this number 0 1 0 1, right? So now we will calculate the numbers which occupied the 1. So 4 and 1 5. So the answer would be 5. Again there is another number, that is 1110. 1110. So the value is 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. Right? So in hexadecimal we write E in place of 14 because 14 have the alphabet value, that is E, in a hexadecimal table. So this would be a E. So final answer would be E5 in terms of hexadecimal. We can write here like this. So the number was 345 decimal, and answer is what? E5 in terms of 16. So this is our hexadecimal value. So to calculate the hexadecimal value from the octal number, we have to make a two-step process. First we will convert the octal number into the binary value, and after that binary value we will make a 4 bits combination, and we will apply that combination in this series, and we will find the resultant value in terms of hexadecimal. So that's all for today. I hope you will understand very well. We will discuss some other points of binary conversion like hexadecimal to octal, how we will calculate the hexadecimal value into the octal value. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.